In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Sportsbet Mastercard. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so go ahead and open up your Sportsbet app as you normally would, and then you'll be brought to the homepage of Sportsbet. And from here, navigate to the bottom right where it says More, and then you'll be brought to your My Account. And then scroll down, it's kind of near the bottom here. Sorry, near the middle or the bottom of My Account. And here it is here, Sportsbet Cash. You want to click into here, and then you can apply for a Sportsbet Cash Mastercard. All right, so a quick rundown of this. So you get instant access to your Sportsbet winnings, buy everyday items with your card, get cash out from any ATM in Australia or overseas where Mastercard is accepted, make purchases online anytime, use tap and go at participating retail outlets, use anywhere Mastercard is accepted, and it's safe and secure. So if you want to go ahead and apply for this, go ahead and click on apply. And then you'll be brought to Sportsbet Cash here. So your details to apply for a Sportsbet Cash, please check that we have your correct details. So make sure your postal address is correct and your name is correct. To have a quick read of the terms and conditions, and also you need to view the Sportsbet terms, cash terms. So go ahead and click on that. Yes, I've read all these things. So once you've ticked all these, click on submit my application. Then from there, just wait until your card gets delivered to your address.